What if you open your WhatsApp one day and you see this message over here? This account can no longer use WhatsApp. What will you do? Hello guys, my name is Testing the Quickest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unban your WhatsApp within 24 hours. So I'm going to show you step-by-step method on how I unban my WhatsApp, and at the end of this video you're going to see proof. So without more ado, let's get started. Okay guys, if you open your WhatsApp, either WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Messenger, and you see this over here, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and search for the WhatsApp of your choice. It might be WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Messenger, and if it has a due update, all you need to do is to update it. As you can see, mine does not have any new updates, so I'm going to just go through the process of unbanning this WhatsApp. So first of all, the process to unban your WhatsApp is to contact the WhatsApp team. Alright, so I have this script over here. I'm going to link it in the description below. Make sure you check it out and download the script. It says, hello WhatsApp team. Alright, my WhatsApp business number. If you're using WhatsApp Messenger, you're just going to say my WhatsApp Messenger number was banned by mistake. Please help me look into it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time and consideration. Here is a banned WhatsApp number. So you're going to put your number over there. All right, so for me, this is my number over here. So this is the script you're going to use, and you're going to change it according to your own WhatsApp. All right, you're not going to use my number. You're going to put your own number over here. So after that, the next thing that we're going to do is to open your WhatsApp again. As you can see, this message is still here. You tap on request a review. All right, after that is done, you copy that script over there and paste it here. All right, you copy and paste it here. Make sure you go through everything to see if it's okay or not, and after that you tap on submit. As you can see, it says WhatsApp support will review your accounts and device information for activity that does not follow our business terms of service. All right, so your request has been submitted. Reviews typically take 24 hours. We will notify you in WhatsApp. These accounts business information and chat are still on the device, so you don't have to worry. All the chat in this account is still on the device. All right, so actually this is live proof that my WhatsApp was banned, so I'm using this video as to prove to you that you can actually unban it within 24 hours. All right, so after that is done, we are going to do another thing. All right, so open your Chrome browser and you search for whatsapp.com. After that is a WhatsApp website. You can scroll down and check it out. As you can see, I'm going to tap on these three lines over here in the menu, and I'm going to tap on Help Center. So when it has opened, you scroll down and tap on Contact Us. All right, so you scroll over here. As you can see, WhatsApp Messenger support if you're using WhatsApp Messenger, WhatsApp Business support if you're using WhatsApp Business. So you tap on Contact Us over here. Since I'm using WhatsApp Business, I'm going to tap on Contact Us over here, and you tap on this email. It's going to open your email app, and you're going to paste the same script. All right, paste the same script, and you tap on send. You can see everything here, so you tap on send. So they are going to reply to your mail, and they will tell you that they will get back. They will review your account and they will get back to you. All right, so guys, it wasn't up to 24 hours. When I opened my WhatsApp again, I saw this message over here. I was so excited. So all I needed to do was to verify my number again. As you can see over here, verify my number, receive a confirmation code, and just set up my WhatsApp all over again. So all my chats were still intact, and this is proof that my WhatsApp was finally unbanned within 24 hours. And if you try this method, you're going to get the same result. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.